Hello viewers, Instagram is one of the most popular social media apps where people share photos, videos, reels and Instagram stories. Many times we come across interesting things on Instagram which we would like to save offline for viewing later. This is why a lot of people have asked us how to download Instagram stories, their videos and photos. Now Instagram doesn't allow you to download and save photos, videos and stories posted by others. But the good news is there are multiple ways to download these photos, videos, and you can even download Instagram stories for free. In this video, I will tell you how you can download and save Insta stories, photos, and reels. Before we begin the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Drifters Club, for more tech videos. Remember that you can download photos, videos from only public account. Now follows these steps. Open Instagram on your phone or computer and choose a photo, video or reel that you wish to download. Now tap on share button and click on copy link. Next open any browser such as Chrome on your phone or computer and write Instagram video downloader. Then click on first website link which is Snap Insta. Here paste the link you just copied from Instagram in the search bar and hit download. A download image or a download video button will now appear right below. Now your video, photo, reel save into your gallery successfully. Hope so you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our beautiful tech channel, The Drifter Club. Thanks for watching.